I want Talisman to pull me to the start flag, and he is here. And this is the first time he's done a track without any food, and this track is an hour old. So he did pretty good, because there's quite a few things on this track that I didn't realize until we hit it. He's on the track here, and then he gets distracted. And little did I know that a coyote had killed a duck off to our right, and he is tracking the scent of the coyotes here. That's why he stopped and peed. And he goes and checks out the dead duck spot, but he comes back and re-engages. So I am very proud of him with this. So good boy, Tally. Good boy.
Mm-hmm.
Talisman track. Talisman, so track.
Coyotes got a duck yesterday.
Yeah, that's the dead duck.
Yep.
Talisman, track. Come on. Talisman. Track.
The scent of the coyotes definitely went to the left of us. So I pull out the scent pad and glove and send him on his way. And there he goes, re-engaging. Good boy, because that kill was right there. This is our first corner, and it changes grass type from tall grass to mowed, and you can actually see how heavy it's raining here. And he's good. He takes the corner right on and continues the track. So pretty good boy. He's still distracted by those coyotes. They apparently have gone all around the place, and as we did the track farther up, we found another section of coyote kill. Love watching this dog work. You can see the pouring rain here, and the scent takes to the right. I did not walk to the right, but with the building there and the scent swirling around from the rain and it started getting windy, you can kind of see where the scent went. Talisman is a good dog to watch because he is really easy to tell. His head is down, his tail is up, he's on the track. When he's off the track, you saw his head came up and he walked pretty fast. There's a corner coming up and another dead duck. So I actually didn't continue this track with him. I showed him, I just kind of threw another piece of material in my pocket off to the side, and he walked up to that and tracked it. And I told him, yay, it's over, because there was way too many dead duck parts and pieces that I hadn't noticed when I put the track in.